Get it? Because it's like all night long, but it's makeup, so it's all over my eye. Okay, anyways. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Ant. If you're new around these parts, basically all I do is play in makeup. I shop too much, I'm awkward as fuck, and I might talk a little shit. So if you are interested in any of those things, feel free to hit that subscribe button and become a beautiful person and join this beautiful ass gang. Who wouldn't want to be a beautiful person? I still haven't gotten an answer. I ask that question every video. And if you aren't new around here and you are a returning subscriber, hey boo. As the title of this video states, I am going to be creating makeup look with makeup products that my husband picked out from your local Wally World or Target or wherever you go to buy makeup. This is gonna be something. I'm not sure if this makeup look is online, but I mean, like somebody's already created. That's what I'm trying to say. But I really want to work with these purples because I want to do like a matching eye and a matching lip. You dig? Also, all the makeup that I'll be using, of course, as always, will be listed down in the description box below. So let's hurry up and jump into this look. I love how I say let's jump into this look and half the time I don't have anything ready. I know. The brows are looking a little crazy right now, but that's because I didn't want to skip this step. Again, I'm using makeup that my husband picked out, and I can't do the next step without using the makeup that my husband picked out. So basically what I'm going to be using is I'm going to cut my eyebrows with this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. It has a satin finish apparently, because it says it right there on the label, and it's in the shade Deep Chestnut. Oh dear. It's actually not a bad color. Okay, boo. Okay. Doing good. Oh, you bitch. This is gonna end up being quite the interesting look considering I'm going to the DMV. There's a whole story behind why I have to go to the DMV, but it's one of those, it's not my story to tell. So just know that by the end of this video, people might be looking at me a little when I go. This brow is so dark. I got a little heavy-handed. Per usual. Okay, so next we're gonna go in with this palette from Revolution Beauty. It's the Tammy? That's Tammy. It's Tammy, yeah. Tammy Revolution, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Destiny, which is this really pretty shimmery sparkle purple. It's so pretty. Forgot my tape. Can't forget my tape. My power went out today. It was a scheduled power outage, and it's cutting out a lot of my time from my actual job. Wow, we're stuttering a lot today. It's taking a lot of time from my actual job, so I figured that I would knock out my videos for the channel and my TikToks today because my lunch times aren't cutting it. I feel too rushed, okay? Speaking of TikToks. Anyways, I've been said I was gonna go in with that purple and I still haven't. We're doing it now.
I know you fucking lying, bitch.
Hold on. Let me show you. Okay, so this camera's a liar because this purple, oh honey, so pretty. It gives off like almost like a metallic satiny kind of look. Oh my god. I mean, I could have used the Juvia's Prep Primer to help brighten up this purple, but my husband didn't pick it out. And I'm only using makeup products anyway, that the husband picked out. Gotta stay consistent. Gotta stay focused. Basically, all I'm doing with this look is I'm just putting this purple all over my eye bone. All over my eye bone. Get it? Because it's like all night long, but it's makeup, so it's all over my eye. Okay, anyways. Okay, Aunt, that's enough slices. Let's move on to the next eye. Today is just I feel like today is just going to be a very productive day. Like, I have a lot that I needed to get done. So this PG&E power outage, which is most likely the reason why the lighting on this video is damn near atrocious. What? Damn near atrocious. Oh my god. Words, man. They're so difficult sometimes. I'm actually gonna get a lot done today. I wanted to do on Monday, but just didn't. And it's not even that I didn't have the time to do it. It's just I just didn't do it. I allowed one thing to piss me off and it ruined my whole day, which is bad. I gotta stop doing that. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough. Side story nobody asked for. I used to work at a thrift store and I hated oldies, like any old school music, mainly because I really hated my stepdad. So anything that he liked, I was anti that. But I worked at this thrift store and all they would play was oldies and I like making money. I do. I hate that I do, but I don't know. It tingles me inside to make money. My own money anyway. And all they would play at this thrift store is oldies. And I actually ended up learning to really love it and appreciate it. And all of a sudden, back when 101.1 was an oldie station, that would be in my top 5 favorites on my dash, is that station. I know I should probably stop adding more purple, but it's so pretty. At this rate, I'm gonna be looking like Mimi from the freaking Drew Carey show. So I'm pretty happy with the eyes right now and how they look. I'm just gonna go in with my e.l.f. primer. Listen, I've been seeing this primer everywhere. It is a very popular primer. I was so fortunate to have it and grab it simply because it seemed to be almost out of stock. Like this was the last one. I went to Walmart to try and find it. None. Went to Target. Thankfully they had it because I wasn't gonna go to any other store. I really wasn't. No. But Target had it and I almost gave up until something told me to look behind me. They have the rest of their e.l.f. stuff. Last one, baby. I snatched it up faster than a mother wanting that Tickle Me Elmo on Black Friday. Mine. I'm just gonna put it just a little bit on my hands and then I'm gonna smear it all over my face. It smells like nothing. I don't like my face. I don't like my hands touching my face. Oh, okay. It feels I was fast. It's kind of sticky already. I was not expecting that. Okay, boo. All right, so now that we've got that on, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation in Nutmeg. Whew, this is going to be interesting. What makes me so nervous about this makeup look is that the husband obviously isn't into makeup or anything like that, but he likes the colors of the makeup. So he'll be like, I think you look really good in this. You should try this. You should try that. And you know, I figured for once I'll let him have some kind of control on what I can and cannot do. I'll let him decide for once. Who knows? I might be pleasantly surprised. I could have been right this whole time. We'll never know. We'll never know unless we try. I miss lights. It's always and only when I have power outages that I miss. I realize how spoiled I am. Pretty freaking spoiled. Going back in with that e.l.f. concealer. This is almost like my Juvia's Place where it's like a little goes a long way with this concealer. I gotta tell you, I actually really like this concealer. It's really, oh, this might be one of very few perfect shades of makeup that I have. So, good job, honey. You did good. I also realized that there is no way in hell I'm gonna be able to do everything that I need to do to, you know, snatch this makeup look together with just the products that my husband picked out because we're missing a few products. We're missing a few things. So I'm just gonna, you know, use the stuff that I normally use. But other than that, if the husband used it, I'll mention it. Wait, what? If the husband picked it. If the husband picked it, I will be mentioning it. He's gonna kill me. If I end up missing, y'all know why. I just realized I'm not fast forwarding through this scene. Like I normally just skip right through it. And I was like, they get it. They know what's going on. They don't need a detailed tutorial on what's going on. But because I'm using these makeup products and it's part of the video, I don't understand why I didn't do this or realize this sooner. Bitch, get in there. Blend, ho, blend. Contour, dear. Really? Wow. Ah! Typical aunt, just dropping shit for no reason. Not even using the raw. We'll go back and touch up this part area. I didn't forget about it. Okay, so now we're gonna zoom back in with the eyeballs. Finally, after 20 fucking years. And we're gonna go in just the corners. And we're gonna go on the bottom lid, right? Shut your face. Just the underlid, that's all. Here we go again with this purple, adding more than we need, but it's his own fault for being such a pretty ass color. You're gonna look at me and tell me that it's not? Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in that palette for my tear ducts and I'm gonna add in the color Soka. I have no idea if I'm saying that color right, but we all, it is that color today. Ooh, that's pretty. Ah, so pretty. I love how at certain angles, this purple makes it look like I put in a lot of work. You were there. I clearly didn't, but it came out fucking gorgeous. You cannot tell me otherwise. Okay, what else did the husband pick out? We're almost done. Oh my God. Sorry, I was just stunned. My lashes actually look like lashes with just mascara. Oh my God. Bitch, no, you did not. Really? It's okay. Let it dry. We just scrape it off. Damn it! Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Sticker, sticker, sticker. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Sticker, sticker, sticker. It is what it is. I tried to fix it. It is what it is. All right, let's finally get into these lips now. Should I line them? Let's line them. Why not? Why not? Now, I already said we were gonna do a perp lip. Ah! Oh no, it's purple. Is it purple? I don't know. That is purple. It's purple. I don't want it to look too Halloween-y, is what I'm trying to get at. Like I want to be a supermodel. No, I want to be glam. Sorry, I can't not say that and think of not think of Clueless. Not sing that. That'd be weird. I know I'm hopping all over the place, but I almost forgot about my lashes. These are the lashes that the husband picked out. These are so stinking cute. So we're gonna put them on. I really did forget about these. They're gorgeous. Gorgeous! I will, however, not be using the glue that it comes with because I notice every time I get lashes that have glue that come with it, almost drop the glue on the lap. Hey, yo. Almost fell on the floor. What is wrong with you? Chill out, lash. Which one's the left? This one's the left. This is the left. Right? Right. The right lash. Oh dear. I've lost my mirror. Mirror. I lost my mirror. I lost my mirror. And like always, just in the nick of time, I found it. Oh my God. Really? So disrespectful. You lined up so perfectly too. You lined up so perfectly too. Look at you, honey. Look at you. Wow, you did so good, honey. I love these lashes. I didn't even have to trim them. Oh, yes. I'm digging it. I'm digging everything about it. Now we can get to the lips. This is the lipstick I'm gonna be using. It is a CoverGirl Ultra Matte Outlast. It's supposed to last up to 24 hours. What color are you, boo? God, I hate it when they do that. Like, where is it? I don't remember what color it is. I think it's like a berry, cherry, blackberry, something fruitful. Now, he got me two. So what I'm thinking is I want to use this for the outer and then I'm going to go in with the other lipstick and put that in the middle. You know what I'm trying to say? Does this give anybody else like 90s vibes? Is it just me? I feel like a Spice Girl. This is the other lipstick that he got me. It's called Berry Queen. So that's probably where I got berry from, but I'll Google it and I'll put it in the description box below, you know. Okay, this might have been a bad idea. Might have been a bad idea. It's kind of cute. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of cute. I went from Spice Girls to The Craft. I mean, it is what it is. All right, so I'm gonna go get dressed real quick and then we could just go ahead and wrap this video up. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Listen, I'm giving myself more craft than anything, okay?
I don't understand what I'm saying.
I'm sorry.
He's sorry. Oh, he's sorry. He's sorry. He's sorry. He's sorry. He's sorry. He's sorry. Sorry, Maya.
I love that movie. I can honestly relate more looking back at my teenage years to her. Yeah. So this is the finished look. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. As much as I'm trying to front like, this look, I actually really love it. Even though it's giving craft, even though it's giving, what is that movie? Hold on, it'll come to me. Even though it's giving Let's Do the Time Warp Again, the Rocky Horror Picture Show, I still love it. I'm not mad. The husband actually did really good. I mean, these lashes, gorgeous. Gorgeous, baby. Gorgeous. The lipstick colors, they're not bad. They're not bad at all. At all. That palette is old, but it's still something that he picked out from the drugstore for me. Wally World. Yeah. He did good. You did good, babe. I love y'all. If you like this video and this look, go ahead and let me know you like this video and this look by smashing that like button. Hit that like button. Tap that like button. Nudge it just a little bit. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell to let me know. Wait, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll know whenever I upload so you could watch the video. That was way harder for me to say than it should have been. Also, if you're new around these parts, don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button and view more of this wonderful, beautiful content and be a beautiful person. Come on now. You know you want to. I'll catch you next time, boo. Bye.